Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So as you can see, I've been doing making some Pokey tools, and so I finally busted out my beads and the Pokey tool itself. After I had made some for Easter for my friends, I decided to make a few more just to kind of play around with it because I had a few ideas. Generally speaking, I was making these with the big bubblegum beads. And I like how it came out, but I just wanted to try other stuff. So this is one of them that I made. I did add a little bunny charm and one of the cupcake charms from Pokey that she taught us how to do. And then a few stars and just a few other beads. And mainly I wanted to keep it blue and purple for the recipient. Okay, so that's one. And then I had done a similar design like this, using the same beads, but on the pen that I gave to my friend. So I wanted to try to replicate that on the Pokey tool now. So I just inverted the colors. And instead, I couldn't find a small enough bead to kind of fit in between there. So I just used a couple of Heishi beads on the ends. And then I made another dangle and mostly just pearls, hearts, and stars with the big ribbon. So I really like that color scheme. And then I wanted to do a rainbow, and I thought, okay, if I can get these heart beads to fit like I did on this one, then I was going to try and see if I had enough to make a rainbow heart one. And I like how this one came out actually. So this might be part of my rainbow giveaway when I get there. And then so I did a white bow with all the different colored beads. I thought that one came out really cute. I might make one for myself too. And then I wanted to make more with the Hello Kitty. So again, I used the Heishi beads and all the different color Hello Kitty heads. And then I did the same. I used the white a lot with this because when you have rainbow, you don't want, I don't know, I didn't want like one color to just stand out. So I did the white bow, and then I just added on the other colors on the dangle charm. And then I, because I didn't use these colors on this one, the rainbow one, then I just did it here. So it was more like a berry kind of look, like the bright pink and the purple along with the white. And so I just used the same colors in the dangle. And then the last one I made, I just wanted to see how it would look if I did a lot of the Heishi beads. So I wasn't going to put the Hello Kitty bead, but then I ended up doing that just for interest. I don't know if I really like this one, but I just thought that I would just try it and see. And then I just used mostly stars, and then I found a butterfly charm that kind of matched. And I just added a few pearls here and there. So anyway, that's just to give you different ideas and to try and play around with the beads that you have in your stash, so you don't have to do the large beads like everyone is doing. And I think Marissa had done something like this earlier, so I wanted to try to replicate that, and I think it came out super cute. So that is my project share for today, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!